Hello, and welcome to today's tutorial on effectively prompting AI by leveraging persona, task context, and format. In this session, we're going to dive into how these key elements can optimize the way you interact with artificial intelligence. First, let's talk about persona. When you define a persona, you're essentially setting up a character or profile for the AI to emulate. This can be incredibly useful in tailoring responses that align with specific user needs or scenarios. Think of it as providing the AI a role to play, whether it's a teacher, a travel agent, or even a script writing assistant. By defining a persona, you ensure that the AI's responses maintain a consistent tone and perspective. Next, we have task context. This is all about feeding the AI with the necessary background information it needs to perform the task at hand. Consider what the AI needs to know about the task to give accurate and relevant responses. For example, if you're asking for travel advice, you might include details like budget, destinations, and travel dates. The richer the context you provide, the more precise and helpful the AI's output will be. Lastly, we have format specifications. This involves specifying how you want the AI's response to be structured. This could range from wanting bullet points for a list, a formal report, or even scripting narrations like this one. Providing a clear format doesn't just make it easier for the AI to understand your expectations, but it also aids in delivering information that's ready to use without much editing required. By combining persona, task context, and format, you can significantly enhance the quality and effectiveness of your interactions with AI. These elements act as powerful tools to guide AI in understanding exactly what you need and how you want it delivered. So remember, when prompting, defining the persona, task, context, and format will greatly increase the quality of the response you get back. Thank you for joining today's session, and I hope this empowers you to create more precise and valuable queries with AI. Until next time, happy prompting!